Okay, we hit shoulder on there. If you put the key in and go all the way forward like such, it's not going to decode right. Okay, so you're going to hit household. I'm going to go by brand. You can also go by key type. Hit K. And we're going to hit Kwikset. Other. We're going to do shoulder align. Okay, we hit shoulder on there. If you put the key in and go all the way forward like such, it's not going to decode right. I know we have the key number right here, but we're going to do it like you don't have it. Turn around and take, put your key in. You got your little stopper, put it in, slide it, and go to the stop. Now, if you ran into problems like I have before, remember I always said this is a good tool to have. Couple bucks, Harbor Freight. Put it in there, make sure you got the hole filled. Slide it forward. And let's go ahead and tighten it. Okay, the key is in, it's ready. Hit decode. And if you watch, you can see it go in the middle. You know you're good. If you're not, cancel it and reset the key. All right, it's learned. And you swap your key out. With that, put that key to the side. Your new key you're using, put it in. And right there, just like I already showed. And let's cut. All right, now the key is done. We'll take it out. I'm in the habit of always wiping it down after each use and before I use it. Remember, don't use air because you'll blow it in places that don't need to go. Here's our key. Here's our other key. Put them on there. Lined up. There you go. Now, added value. When you decode the key, or you have it like this, turn around and give it to the customer on their receipt or on the back of your business card. That way, if they ever get locked out, you can just cut them a key and show up, or they can show up to your shop, or if you're on call. If you found any parts of this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below. It helps support the channel.